Challenge din sa kanila 'to na makuha ulit yung momentum nila, especially sa deciding set na 'to.
That was the strongest spike that I've seen from Kat Santos today.
Marasigan, Tang, Deposoy, and Gonzalez.
And if that is truly her 23rd point, as we see Habakon answer with a powerful spike of her own, Kat Santos has the most points now in terms of single match scoring. Kasi previously, si Tina Marasigan naka 21 points. So, na-exceed na ni Kat Santos yun. Molina. Habakon. It is a spike fest between Habakon and Santos. Silang dalawa yung nagpapalitan ng puntos dito.
I know. Yung intensity talaga.
Pero feeling ko ganun talaga yung volleyball gods. Mag-welcome ng bagong player. Kat Santos breaks down the wall. Blocking is all about timing.
True.
Habakon single block there. Ayan na, si Kat Santos. Siya ang kailangan dito.
Combination play by Kat Santos. You see, Kat, sana kanina pa rin nila ginagawa yan. Nung una pa lang. Kasi kapag...
Santos with a jump serve, putting pressure on the receivers of San Beda. And Habakon with a response, cross-court kill. Cramping up and all at the service line. Habakon. San Beda is at match point.
Wow!
Angel Habakon. This rookie is heaven sent. She is in her element.